Hi, welcome to the Spectrum Protect video. I'm going to be demoing our new AWS Glacier Instant Retrieval class support. Now back in version 7.1.7, we introduced cloud container storage pools, and at that point we supported the AWS S3 standard class for our container storage pools. In 8.1.8, we extended that support also to include the AWS S3 intelligent tiering class. And then in 8.1.13, we introduced the ability to copy retention sets out to AWS Glacier Flexible Retrieve or Glacier Deep Archive. However, if you did put a retention set out there, if you restored from that retention set, you first of all had to stage the data back from these archive classes into a different section of AWS before Spectrum Protect could access it. In this version, we're introducing Glacier Instant Retrieval for both cloud container storage pools, copy retention sets, and database backups. And the nice thing is that no staging is required in order to do a restore from any of this data. In this demo, I'll show you how to set up a container storage pool with the new cloud storage class equals glacier_IR. And then I'll also show you how you can set up a device class to be used for retention sets or Spectrum Protect database backups, also with the cloud storage class of glacier_IR. One other thing to note is that if you do update previous either container storage pools or retention set device classes to point to a new type of AWS storage, the data that was previously written to AWS will remain in that storage class, but all new data will go out to the updated storage class. So I do have a couple older videos out there if you want to see how to utilize AWS Glacier Flexible Retrieval and Glacier Deep Archive. Okay, with that, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we'll do is create a cloud container storage pool for your backups and archives. So go to Storage, Storage Pools, click on the plus Storage Pool button. This is going to be a general storage pool. You'll go ahead and give it a name, and then go ahead and click Next. You'll then choose that this is a container-based storage pool and it's going to be off-premise cloud. Click Next. You will want to select a pre-configured cloud connection, or you can create a new connection. So we'll create a new connection. We'll give that connection a name. For cloud type, we want to select Amazon S3 API. And then from your Amazon setup, you'll want to enter the access key ID as well as the secret access key that was provided by Amazon. And then for the cloud storage class, we're going to choose the S3 Glacier Instant Retrieval. Go ahead and click Next, and then click Close. Next, you'll enter a pre-created directory that we use as an accelerator cache where we pre-stage the data before it's uploaded to AWS. And then go ahead and click Save and Close, and you will see that we have now created that new storage pool. So if we search for it, we'll find it out here. We can click on Quick Look and see the different properties that were set up, including the fact that this is a Glacier Instant Retrieval class. If we go into the details and then click on Properties, inside of here you can actually update the class. If you want to change it to a different storage class, you could select a new class there. Do note that any data that was previously sent to that storage pool will remain in that particular class, and only the new data sent out to that storage pool will go to the new storage class. If you go into the command builder, you can also issue these commands from the command line. So for instance, we could do a define storage pool, once again giving that storage pool a name. We'll call it Amazon_IR_pool2, and then storage type equals cloud. And connection equals Amazon_IR_con. That was a pre-created connection. The cloud storage class glacier_IR. Okay, once that storage pool has been created, you would obviously be able to use that as well to back up data too. If you wanted to create a device class and associate this device class with a storage rule to be able to copy out retention sets or send Spectrum Protect database backups out to the AWS Glacier Instant Retrieval class, you would issue define devclass, the name of the device class, devtype equals cloud, connection equals, and a predefined connection, and then cloud storage class equals glacier underscore IR. And at that point, you have a device class to use for your retention sets or your database backups. You can also issue a query dev class for that device class we just specified, and you will see the cloud storage class is specified. And of course, you could also do an update dev class and change that device class. But remember, if you do that, only data written after you do the update will be written to the new class. So thank you very much. Be sure to check out the other videos I have on using AWS Cloud Storage and other types of cloud storage with Spectrum Protect. Thanks again.